Hello, today I'm going to share one interesting project which personally I used when I start a new Django project. This is a gift for my subscribers and my viewers, okay? So, if you are a Django developer, you want to speed up your productivity and you want to use a Docker as well. So I have created this Django starter kit. In this kit, I have integrated Elasticsearch, PostgreSQL, Celery, and Swagger, and many things. So using this kit, you have to just run one commands, okay, and all these services, database, PostgreSQL will be created, and Elasticsearch and the Celery, all these services will be up. So you have to just clone this repo, okay, and in this env file you have to update your uh, parameters. If you have a different parameter, simple, and then you have to just run this command. This command will create containers, okay, for your different services. It's very simple, okay. If I simply show you how you can do that, okay, if I have just copied this command and if I go to my Visual Studio Code, okay, so this is the main file which is a build process. So this is a folder, like this is Django for the Docker backend, okay, celery-beat. So this is a Docker file, okay, for every service for the Django backend, okay, we have a Docker file, okay, and this is Docker Compose. This Docker Compose run all these services, Elasticsearch, Celery, and celery-beat, okay, at once, okay. It's also create a database for you, PostgreSQL. You don't need to set up separate database. You don't need to install Postgre admin to create a database. Also, it's containerized, okay. You have to just run this command and your project will be set up, and you don't need to install Python and Elasticsearch, okay, because these things can take 1 day to just set up, okay. But with the help of my Django starter kit, you can just simply start your Django project in a few seconds. So I will just run this command, okay. It's a Docker command, okay. Make sure you have a Docker installed on your system and you're using Docker desktop. My Docker desktop is running currently, okay. So then I will just execute this command, and this command will create all these container services which are defined in my in my Docker Compose file, okay. So it's very simple. I will recommend you to use this technique and speed up your productivity. Don't move just using a virtual environment and stuck. Always use best practices and improve your productivity, which is a main challenge, okay. So everything is being set up just a one command, okay. Meanwhile, if you have not subscribed my uh, newsletter on LinkedIn, you can subscribe because I'm coming with the latest articles on the LinkedIn, okay. You can also follow me on the LinkedIn. If I show you, I have just created 25 days ago my newsletter, and I have published very you know uh, valuable articles here, okay. So you can just subscribe me here as well, and on my YouTube channel as well, to get engaging content. I'm coming with interesting videos soon. So this is a pipeline, a very detailed article. Similarly, I have written some informations about Django starter kit on my LinkedIn as well for more explanation, like how you can use my Django starter kit, okay. So everything is explained what is in my Django starter kit, okay. So what I create any video, I also write article on that, so you have very detailed knowledge about the topic. So if I just move to my Visual Studio Code, you can see project is being ready and set up. It is installing all the updates which are defined in the Docker file, okay. So this is very simple. If you want to use this for your projects, use it and start your Docker journey and become a pro level Django developer. Okay, so this for today, okay, because this installation can take 5 minutes, okay, so I'm not just going to wait for it, okay. So just my purpose is to tell you guys, use this technique and make yourself, stand yourself, valuable, make yourself valuable by following these best practices. Okay, see you in the next video. Goodbye.